Today we're making this vegan salad. It's got tons of protein and a gorgeous dressing. Have you guys ever heard the saying that you should eat a rainbow? I'm a big fan of making sure that I eat a variety of foods and a variety of colors of foods. Look at this gorgeous plate. We have this purple cabbage, and I read somewhere that foods that are the color purple have a certain amount of very specific nutrients that you should be consuming on a daily basis. So if you can, add some plums, some blueberries, some eggplant, some cabbage. It's a really, really great way of taking care of your health, of your gut health. And again, adding a lot of different flavor and texture to a salad. We're also going to be using celery. I actually like the crunch that celery gives, and also it has a specific saltiness. I always add these guys to any salad that I make and basically any vegetable dish, because again, they also add a lot of volume. So you kind of get to feel fuller, but without the additional calories. I love me some carrots in a salad. They add sweetness. And today we're using kale. And a bit later on, I'm going to show you how I prep the veg and how I prefer to cook them. We're also going to add these two gorgeous ingredients, and they're going to give us some additional plant-based protein. These orange lentils cook really, really fast. It takes about 7 to 10 minutes. So I really like to add them whenever I'm cooking something quick. And then here I have frozen edamame. Again, as I've said, two great sources of protein, and I'm gonna cook these together. I love to add green onion or shallots to a salad, but I'm not gonna do that today because I have a date in the evening and I don't wanna be all oniony on my breath. Here's what we need for the dressing. Peanut butter, I'm a huge fan. I love adding this stuff to sauces and dressings, and also a great source of protein. We're gonna use some sesame oil, we're gonna use some soy sauce, we're gonna use a little bit of rice vinegar, and also a lime. Again, if you don't have some of these ingredients, you can definitely switch the edamame to peas. If you don't have lentils, you can use any kind of beans pre-cooked. The kale can be switched to romaine lettuce, add some fennel, add some kohlrabi. Just go crazy with the veg and make sure they're colorful. Lime can be substituted for lemon juice. If you don't have rice vinegar, just use any other red wine or apple cider vinegar. If you have any questions, just ask below in the comments. Now let's get cooking. Before I dig into my salad, there are a few things I want to mention. First of all, if you meal prep or you like to cook something that will last you a few days, this is a great salad because the kale, the carrots, the celery, they can really kind of hold their own even if you've already dressed the salad. Another great idea is to make a bit more salad dressing because this stuff goes well with anything. You can mix this sauce into a pasta dish. You can marinate some chicken in it. So if you're gonna make the sauce, make more and keep it in the fridge. It lasts perfectly for 3 to 4 days. I like to add the lentils and the edamame after I've dressed the salad, just so they don't become soggy and mushy. every single bite is just literally a rainbow. You have all these gorgeous colors, and again, nutrients. It's so good. The key to like perfect raw kale in a salad is massaging it with oil before anything else. So the first thing you need to do with this salad, wash it really well, because sometimes you get a lot of dirt in between those beautiful leaves. So you chop it up, you wash it, and then you not only dress it with some oil, but you literally have to massage the kale just to get it a bit more soft. Otherwise, it's too chewy and a bit too dense for my liking. But this is the perfect option. Again, you can definitely cut the carrots with a knife, just as you did with the celery, but I like to have like different shapes, different textures. So I like to do it with, what do you call those things? A peeler. Anyway, I hope you love the salad. If you try it, please let me know in the comments below how you liked it, and if you want more vegan options and more cool vegan dressings. Other than that, I could eat this every single day. Love it.